Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I'm going to do a little acrylic painting. I've been my goal was to do one a week. I'm a little bit behind. But there's 52 weeks in a year. I might be halfway. And at the time I'm doing this voiceover, it's near the end of September. So October, November, December. Just a little behind. Not too far behind. Crack out a few quickies. This is sped up quite a bit to help with the entertainment value because this was quite a long process. I decided to this is a sunset. I decided to start with my darks and kind of do like the basic structure of the scene with this blue color. It doesn't end up being my darkest. I add more dark colors because I thought it was not dark enough, but I'm just wanting to get like the placement of the clouds and everything. Now I've never been very good with clouds, but I do like how these turn out. It was just kind of fun way to do it. I'm not sure there's much else to say about it. I am just using craft paint. Most of this is craft paint. I think I pull out some yellow that is artist quality because that's the yellow I have. The goal is to use it up, right? If you've seen my I have too much paint video, or my favorite things, it's too much paint. You'll know I have way too much paint and I shouldn't buy any more. Anyways, here I'm going in with some purple. It's going to be like an orangey dark, the mountains look kind of purple in the dark, don't they? Kind of. I do add some blue on top of that too, just because that purple was not as dark as I was hoping. At least on top of the white paper. Which I don't think I pre-gessoed. And the paint would have flowed a little bit better, I think, if I had pre-gessoed. But yeah, anyways. It's just a fun painting, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm just going to let some music play, I think. Pop in every once in a while if I can think of something to talk about. So I'm putting some of this dark purple on the underside of the clouds just to give them some dimension and make them feel more three-dimensional. Just kind of what I just said. Anyway, I think it helps them. You'll have to give me your opinion if you think I did an okay job. So now I'm gonna put in some sunset colors and just kind of have them around the clouds, kind of make it look like the sky is glowing and the thinner parts of the clouds, the light is glowing through them. That's the idea anyway, with the lighter colors. And hoping that that will show up on top of those darker colors, because this is just craft paint, so it's probably not 100% opaque. Okay, so the idea is to get lighter and lighter until eventually it looks almost white. So I'm going to do, lightening it with some yellow, and then I'll just keep lightening the yellow as we go. And again, lighter and lighter as we go along. You'll have to tell me, do you like or dislike the ones where I don't talk very much? I mean, sometimes I just don't have anything to say. Or do you prefer me not talking at all? Just play some really bad YouTube music. I don't know. You'll have to give me your opinion. I could be like APG Jamie and just talk the whole time and not have any music except for her xylophone. but she's good at talking. She's an entertainer, I think. Whereas I just, don't have a lot to say. So are you liking how it's getting lighter and lighter? Do you think that works? I think it looks good from a distance. I think this painting looks good from a distance. What's your opinion? So once I got done with that white, I decided maybe a little bit of blue sky is peeking out. Is that weird? I kind of like it though, just having it peek through just a little bit. Give the cloud somewhere to be hanging in the sky. So now I'm going to add a little bit of white highlights in places. Somebody that had taught acrylic painting a while ago mentioned that as being the spark or the jewel on top of the painting is the white highlights. And I do think it helps. And it helps distinguish my mountains because they were kind of all blending together. And then after that, to pull this picture all together, we're gonna put some pine tree silhouettes in the foreground, and this is just done with I think it's Payne's Gray. It looks pretty black. So just a series of trees, simple fan brush trees, because that's the easiest kind for me to create. Well, I hope you liked that. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, comment, share, all the things. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.